some stocks just don't know when to quit. Take Align Technology, the medical device company that's best known for Invisalign. That's the clear removable dental braces that make it much less of an embarrassment to fix crooked teeth. And they also sell a mobile scanning system that eliminates the need for your dentist to take impressions of your teeth. Align stock's been on a huge tear, up 46% year to date. And in late September, we brought the company's CEO, Joe Hogan, on the show for the first time in nearly 9 years. Now, over the next month, the stock pulled back dramatically, falling from 93 down to 84. That dip turned out to be a fabulous buying opportunity because 2 weeks ago, Align reported a blowout quarter that sent its stock soaring. The company earned 63 cents a share. It's a gigantic 11-cent beat that represents 85% growth year over year, and its sales came in higher than expected too, up 34% from last year. Even better, Align gave bullish guidance for the next quarter, and the stock has been on fire ever since, trading up to 96 today, aided in part by the Trump rally. So can the company continue to outperform? Let's take a closer look in person with Joe Hogan. He's the CEO of Align Technology. Hear more about his company and how it's doing. Mr. Hogan, welcome back to Mad Money. Good to see you, sir.
Great to see you.
Have a seat.
Thank you.
All right, now we did a segment after speaking to you where we said that we're in a selfie generation, worldwide. And it seems like the more we have high-resolution cameras, the more we take our pictures, the more we post them on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and we need you. How big is the total addressable market worldwide if everybody joined the selfie generation?
Oh, you know, worldwide, you're 300 million, 400 million patients. It's really incredible. I think that just in North America alone is 100 million patients.
And what penetration do you have?
7%.
7%.
7%.
How many people are still using the same old metal stuff?
Oh, you know, 93% of the market.
How can that be?
It's unbelievable, Jim. It's unbelievable.
All right, so you are now, I know that you had a summit, Ortho Summit in Las Vegas.
Yeah.
When you do something like that, are there orthodontists or general practitioners who change their mind when they see what you have?
These are orthodontists specifically.
Okay.
We have another forum for general practitioners.
Right.
You see, I think this was really an important forum that we had because we really went at them hard in the sense of new technology, right. The whole digital versus analog is what, it's not plastic versus metal. And we had really great feedback that they see the future, and many of them think that it's digital and it's aligned.
Now, why don't you show us some of the things you brought so that people get a better idea of what you're talking about?
Let's start by saying right now we're talking about we can do about 60% of the teeth straightening applications that would be out there.
Right.
Now, these are mainly for teen patients, and this would be another 20% of the marketplace, and where our teen utilization is about 4%
You see,
right now.
I don't get that because my daughter was, well, I guess my daughter must look at, you have ads in Facebook, you have ads, you're all over the web where the sites where people are that need this. The selfie generation is looking at your ads.
Right. Yeah,
and it's working.
Yeah, and it's a big help. We help to generate that with lots of social media.
Okay.
So this is just quickly what you want to do. In some cases, you want to move the lower jaw forward. And today, this is the technology that exists: is you actually glue these metal brackets on.
Right.
As you close these, it just forces the jaw.
Yeah, it
through,
makes
right?
it terrible. So yeah.
What we'll come out with in the next few months here are just these. You click these on your teeth. And when you close your jaw, it just moves your jaw forward, and you straighten your teeth at the same time.
So you go to a dentist, but
or
they don't.
Orthodontist.
Orthodontist, and how do they make this mold?
In this case, we would ship them to them. So we digitize a process, right? We print these. We print about 200,000 unique parts a day down in Mexico, and we ship them all over the world. We're the biggest 3D printing company in the world.
I didn't know that.
By far, yeah.
And you use any particular kinds of machines?
Well, we use just they're stereolithography machines. It's mainly photopolymer that we use to do that.
Let me ask you, you've got a lot of stuff in here about India. Now, we think that India is where Apple's moving in very aggressively.
Yes.
We were wondering whether India is ready for the selfie generation.
You know, I just got back from India, Jim.
You did?
I was there, yeah, I was there just a week ago, okay?
All right.
And they're there. You know, we're going city by city, which you have to do in India, and we're recruiting about 50 to 60 orthodontists per city. And then we begin social media and then broader advertising.
Well, let me ask you, missionary work, that sounds like. Why are you not in the dental schools?
You know, great question, okay? We just haven't been there traditionally. When I was in India, I went to visit a dental school. We're putting the whole thing in place now. I had that experience from GE Healthcare and having to do that and how it works. New York University is one of the first ones we had in the United States.
That's the best. I used to go to just literally to students who were under, in the process, because when I didn't have any money.
Yes.
And they, those were the people who were the next generation.
Right.
So you're getting into these places.
Yes, we are. We're doing that. We have a 10 module piece right now to help orthodontists and dentists through this whole thing. So it's a big focus for us.
I thought it was interesting. You did this November 16 conference, Jefferies Healthcare. Your fastest growing market is Spain?
Yeah.
How's that possible? I mean, just tell me, give me the demographically, why is that the case?
Well, actually, it was the way we actually went after the Spanish market.
Okay, tell me. Maybe this is a template.
Okay, well, it is. We've been translating the United States. In fact, what we do is we go into a city in Spain and we figure out exactly what orthodontists really want to work with Invisalign. Okay. And we get them up the learning curve fast, Jim. Like in 120 days, we'll just flood them with resources so they're comfortable with our product line. And once we do that, a lot more customers go to it, and then other orthodontists in that area that want to participate with Invisalign will want to join in too. We did it city by city at work. Right. We moved it to the UK. Now we're moving it to the United States and also Asia too. So it's a learning curve play for us, focused resources for a specific period of time.
One last thing. Those of us who got older and we had orthodontists when we had braces when we were 13, 15. Yeah, sure. How's that market of people whose teeth just spread out over time? We kind of gave up on us.
Yeah, well, huge, okay?
It is?
Oh, it's huge. I mean, there's so many people that had the braces. Your teeth are changing all throughout
I know. I mean, I'm trying to figure out what to do.
Just come back to us. In fact, I bet you have some lower crowding, Jim. I can look at you right now.
Oh, no, okay. I got a pulp. I got a lot going on in there. It's like I got a Maserati going in there in terms of the cost. All right, that's Joe Hogan, the president and CEO of Align Technology. You heard how little they have in the market. I can't believe that. They still give you the torture. I mean, they're getting you pay a lot for it. Mad Money's back after the break. Booyah! Jim Cramer here from Mad Money. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube. Click here to subscribe and get the jump on my exclusives with CEOs, plus market news, investing advice, and a whole lot more.